Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Okay, guys, how y'all doing? It is Miss Janita back again with some more cooking here. I'm making my sugar cookies. I got the white cookies, sugar cookies, red cookies, green cookies. I'm about to put them in the oven. This is a before. I'll be back with the yummy baked sugar cookies. Merry making in the kitchen. Loving it. Diet approved. Making wonderful merry making memories. Yes. Yum. Here is the after. The sugar cookies are ready, and I'm going to store them in my heart to hand, whatever that pan is called. Where is it at? I don't know where I put it at. But anyway, I'm going to put it in the cookie pan, in the decorative merry making cookie pan. So I have sugar cookies. I did it. They're done. I'm just waiting on the little muffins and cupcakes. Yum! Guys, I forgot to do the before to show you the wet ingredients versus the dry ingredients. And my cupcakes, I might have overbeaten them, but yummies nonetheless. Mini bites. These are the mini ones. Let me take it out. That's a mini one, and those are the other regular size cupcakes. I'm just gonna put the bigger ones. I'm gonna put the coconut pecan frosted on those. The mini ones will just stay mini muffin chocolate bites. Yum! Thanks for joining me. So sorry about the before, but we're celebrating the after. Yummy cupcake bites. Merry making days. Food holidays. Okay, guys, I forgot the before. Here's the after. Oatmeal raisin nut, walnut, chocolate chip cookies. Oh, I'm in the spirit. I'm in here baking. Merry making food, making beautiful memories. Holiday, wonderful memories. It's merry making time. Yes, I love it. Look at them delicious oatmeal raisin chocolate chip nut cookies. Yum! Gotta approve. Y'all see my gingerbread cookie jar? I made that little cap for it. I made myself and the whole family some merry making holiday-ish caps. I sure did. I want to put some little decorations on the white rim of the hat. But anyway, I plan on making not only for this gingerbread man, but also out there on my balcony garden, I'm going to be making some merry making stocking caps for my little characters that help decorate my balcony garden. Got a cat, frog, owl, turtle, so on and so on. We'll see what's going on. And those kind of videos for my balcony garden where I decorate and all that stuff is on Thursday's collaboration on my gardening channel. Saturday is where I share with you on that collaboration in that collaboration I share on Saturday is about how well my plants are doing or not. So if you're interested, just go over there and subscribe. But today, what are we doing today? I put my little gingerbread people measuring spoons in these little glass jars. I repurposed it. And there go my adorable little bullseye dog. Target bullseye dog. Guys, the oatmeal cookies have cooled. The chocolatey fudge moist, and when I tell you they're moist, they are moist. Handle with care. I have to put my little coconut icing on some of them, not all of them. Oh, it's so delicious. That chocolate is so chocolatey and moist. Oh, it's unbelievable. Well, these are the sweet. I'm not the sugar cookies. Y'all seen that in the previous video. And the mini bites muffins, the little mini bite muffins, yummy. Same chocolate cake batter. I'm so happy today. This is what I'm talking about. Stay in a good spirit, do merry-making festive activities, create joyful, peaceful, delightful memories. Happy holidays. Ooh, where are my German chocolate cake lovers? Oh, I love it. Look at my German chocolate cake, cupcakes that is. Delicious. I love me some German chocolate cake, especially that coconut pecan frosting. Oh, and there go the oatmeal, raisin, walnut chocolate chip cookies next door. I had a fabulous time this morning cooking and baking for the family. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode by episode, piece by piece of me baking and cooking for the family. Oatmeal raisin chocolate chip cookies and some chocolate, German chocolate, coconut pecan frosted, merry-making, holiday festive food. Yum! Diet approved. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.